Yeah, we're really excited today because we're launching Friends House signing up to CreatureKind. CreatureKind is a project I set up a couple of years ago. I've been working on the place of animals in Christian theology and ethics as an academic. I'm a professor of theological ethics at the University of Chester. For about 10 years I've been working on this in an academic context. I began to think what I'd really like to do is get out beyond the academy, beyond the university sphere, and talk to Christians and other people of faith at large about where animals belong and what they're committed to. And so 2 years in, one of the most exciting parts of CreatureKind's work is talking to institutions like Friends House and saying, could you talk to us about where you're getting animal products from that you're sourcing and serving? And are you interested in getting some help to think about how you could reduce consumption of animal products and move to higher welfare sourcing? The reason we're excited about this is that there's lots of global problems which seem really hard to solve. But interestingly, the problems associated with raising large amounts of livestock are fairly easy to address. We're raising more livestock than ever before, and that's having very, very significant problems both for human beings and for animals and for the environment. So we're very wastefully using too much land to raise livestock and grow crops to feed to livestock. A third of all cereal output goes to feed livestock now rather than to feeding human beings. Though raising livestock in those kinds of numbers has really serious environmental problems. All that livestock emits more greenhouse gas emissions than transport globally. And it also has more direct human health problems. So because of all the antibiotics we feed to animals in intensive farming contexts, there are fewer and fewer effective antibiotics available for human use. And those same contexts are also incubating diseases like swine flu and bird flu, which are really serious for human health, as well as the unprecedented amounts of animal products we're eating at the moment are actually bad for our own health and related to obesity and human health conditions. So we can address we can get beneficial outcomes for humans, we can get beneficial outcomes for animal welfare and beneficial outcomes for the environment just by reducing consumption and paying attention to the sourcing. And so we've been really delighted today that Friends House is committing itself to a 20% reduction over 2 years in its consumption of animal products, and that's going to make a really big difference for the numbers of animals drawn into intensive farming.